Correlation is the next topic which is actually a measure of the relationship between the two entities or two variables. How the two variables are related to each other. One quantity may increase, another quantity may also increase, or if one quantity increases, other quantity may decrease. So like how we have direct and indirect variation, similarly here also we have in correlation, there are three different types of correlation. But before that, correlation is just a statistical technique which shows the relationship between the two or more variables. Okay, there are different types of correlations: positive and negative correlation, simple, partial and multiple correlation, and the third one linear and non-linear correlation. If we come to positive and negative correlation, here I have written if variables vary in the same direction, then the correlation is positive. If the variables vary in the opposite direction, then the correlation is negative. Means if one quantity decreases, other quantity also decrease. For example, if I say x-axis and y-axis, this is a positive slope. This is a positive slope. If both the variables go in the same direction, then it will be a positive correlation. Suppose if the graph shows a negative slope, then it is said to be negative correlation. So this is positive and this is negative. So similarly, the example what I can give is for height and weight of a person are positively correlated. More the height, more the weight. Lesser the height, lesser the weight. Similarly, production and price are negatively correlated. Higher the production, lesser the price. Lower the production, higher the price. They are oppositely correlated. Therefore, it is negatively correlated. Similarly, the rice production, rainfall and fertility are partially correlated. That is the second type of correlation. If we come to linear and non-linear correlation, linear correlation means it will be a cluster of data which will bound to either increase in the positive direction or decrease in the negative direction. So if the grouping or if the relationship is randomly distributed all over the graph, then we call it as a non-linear correlation. I can give an example for linear correlation like this. See, if all these are assumed to be, so this is or if all the relationships are very closely bound with a constant ratio, then we call it as a linear correlation. Suppose if the data is like this, if it is moving randomly like this without any proper sequence, then we call it as a non-linear. This is a linear, it is going in one direction. This is non-linear, it is moving on in the different directions. So these are the three different types of correlations. Let us see the formula for correlation and types of different types of problems under correlation in the next video.